Hello guys. Yeah, I'm doing a mud cake. Might as well show the ingredients. So the ingredients in this is 1 deciliter of this almond flour, like one teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of vanilla sugar, like 1.5 tablespoon of this satine, and then this right here is Oboy less sugar, 2 deciliters of that, which is, it's chocolate, like they use for milk. I'll close that later. So put in here, mix it around, 2 eggs and 100 grams of butter, and then when it melts, what you do is that you put in the eggs, mix it, and then you put in this and mix it. And I'm gonna have my mom do that. You want to preheat the oven to 175. And, oh god. This is my 20 minutes of standing for the day. And then you want to bread one of these things. So you want to get it, okay, well, this is not the best lighting conditions, but you really want to mix it well, and you want to make sure that it's the butter is still warm when you mix everything in. That's why I recommend making all the ingredients into one, so it's just super easy. As soon as the butter is melted, you pour it in, and there you go. There you go. It's gonna be pretty low. Then you want to put it in the middle of the oven for 15 minutes.